Hi everyone, let me introduce myself in a few minutes. I am Michelle Stampede Sasarita. I'm 18 years old. I am residing at Purok Ono, Lianga, Surigao del Sur. My hobby is I like playing badminton and reading books. By the way, I finished the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Surigao del Sur State University. I also attended a seminar on last year on November 2014 at Balanghay Hotel in Butuan City. During my studies, I have many experience about how to make a new program and a desktop and website developer. And also, I've been experienced when I was having my on-the-job training on how to install a new program and disassembling and assembling a computer. It's my pleasure to work at your prestigious company. If I had given a chance to become an employee of your company, I will make it very well. Thank you for listening and time that you have given to me.